We've all been there, counting off 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or picking two captains. These systems kind of work to divide groups, but they're boring, predictable, and rarely create fair or balanced teams. As a lazy facilitator, I have just one rule. If I can divide groups and have fun doing it, that's what I'm going to do. Low effort, high impact, instant results. For example, if I need two teams, here are my go-tos. Cross your arms, left over right or right over left. Boom, two teams. Or last digit of your phone number, odd or even, done. Dog person, cat person, teams sorted. And if I need multiple teams, how about the birth month, January through December? You've got 12 groups instantly. Or birth order, eldest, middle, or youngest child. Simple. There's a gazillion ways to form teams. So in a moment, I'll provide a link to dozens more fun and simple ways to create random teams. But here's my favorite lazy trick, and people love this one. Ask everyone to simply look at their fingernails. Watch what happens. Some people will curl their fingers in like this, others will extend their hand outward like that. Two teams, no explanation needed, and it always gets a laugh because people can't believe that others do it differently. And here's the thing, the best team-forming strategies are random, fast, and invite non-threatening forms of interaction. Click the link in the description below to open Getting into Teams, where you can explore dozens more ways to create random teams with little effort. Thanks for watching and have fun out there.